In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unsupported file type on Google Drive on iPhone. This issue can be frustrating, but with just a few simple steps, you'll be back on track. First, let's start by updating Google Drive. This is a crucial step because outdated versions can cause compatibility issues. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Once you have it open, you'll want to use the search bar at the top. Type in Google Drive and hit search. Now, take a moment to look at the results. You'll see the Google Drive app listed here. If there is an update available, you will see an update button next to it. Go ahead and tap on that button. This ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes from Google. Keeping your apps updated is important because it helps maintain security and functionality. Once the update has been successfully installed, it's time to move on to the next step. Open Google Drive again. You'll want to navigate back to the file that was previously showing as unsupported. Go ahead and try to open that file. If everything is set up correctly, the file should now be accessible. If it opens without any issue, that means the problem was likely with the older version of the app. Updating apps is a simple yet effective way to solve many technical problems. However, if you still encounter the unsupported file type message, it's possible that the file format itself is not compatible with Google Drive. In such cases, consider converting the file to a more common format like PDF or DOCX. You can use online converters or apps specifically designed for file conversion. Remember, opening files successfully often depends on both the app and the file format being compatible. By ensuring your app is up to date, you vastly improve the chances of seamless compatibility. After updating the app, if the file opens, you're all set. If not, converting the file is your best bet. You can also reach out to the file sender and ask for a different format. In conclusion, keeping your apps updated and understanding file compatibility are key to avoiding these issues. Now that we've covered all the steps, you should be able to resolve the unsupported file type error on your iPhone with ease. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and solutions.